What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so excited, guys. I've got a lot of things to update you on, but first things first, I hope it's not too loud. Zaidi is busy cooking. Zaidi, say hi.
Hello.
Say hi, Zaidi.
Hi.
So because Zaidi is busy cooking, guys, that's why it might be a bit noisy in the background, but I've got a couple of updates to give you. First things first, guys, I'm so excited. I got a new vlogging camera. Woo! Woo! So now I can vlog properly. I don't have to be using my rubbish phone. Guys, let me show you my phone. This is my phone. Can you see? I don't know if you can you see how cracked it is? Can you see? It's literally in tatters. This is what I was using to film my videos, guys. So I could just feel Uguti. This is not it. I can do more. And now I'm so happy, so thrilled, so excited to be part of the vlogging gang. Woo! Zinche, you know that thing. Anyways, guys, if my audio is bad, I'm really sorry, baby. Please, yeah, don't, yeah. If my audio is not good, guys, please just bear with me. I'm working on my content bit by bit, and I'm going to improve as much as I possibly can. That's the first thing out of the way. Second thing is, I want to share with you my New Year's resolutions, my goals for the upcoming year. And I realized the best way to do it, I want to share with you a day in my life. Top of my list on my New Year's resolutions. I actually wrote it down because I want to inspire someone, you know, and just show you guys the real, true me and the things that I'm going through, and you know, give someone out there hope despite whatever circumstances you might be facing. Because let's be real, guys, social media, if you live your life around social media, you go suffer, because people are lying out there. My first resolution for the next year is to be authentic. I think I'm generally quite a real person. Honestly, I think I'm generally quite a real person. I'm silly, I'm goofy, I try to be myself, you know, but I want to take it to the next level. I want to be real, to be like 100% authentic, and I've seen that growth in myself. Even if you go to my beginner YouTube videos where I wasn't, you know, I feel like I'm stepping more and more into myself. Every time I upload a video, I'm stepping more and more into myself, and you know, I want to bring that more into my channel, into everything that I do. I want that authenticity of who I am to come through. So I feel like I'm always saying, I've got so many gifts and talents within me, and I want to be the greatest, highest expression of who God intended me to be, and I want to work every day towards being that. One thing that inspired me, TD Jakes, guys, you'll see me referencing TD Jakes a lot because he really inspires me with his sermons and the things that he shares. TD Jakes says, he was giving a sermon, and in that sermon, I can't even remember the scripture that he was referencing, but he was talking about how God was so intentional and how God is intentional about what he does. I am made in the image of God, therefore I should also be intentional about what I do. You know, like, you shouldn't just wait for things to happen to you, things to happen around you. Be intentional about what you are doing, where you are going, despite your circumstances, despite the challenges that you may face, the things that are within your control. Be intentional about what you don't just sit back, you know, and complain and worry, cry, whatever, but the things that are within your control, be intentional about them. Another part of my resolutions is, I've told you before, I'm studying. I'm coming from work, and what I must do is sit down and study before I do anything else. Food is ready, guys. Dinner is spaghetti, baby spinach, some red cabbage, morning, guys. It's just about 6 a.m. right now. Guys, I don't know, guys. Ish. Yeah, so I was making pap and I got burnt. And I got so mad that I stopped cooking. And it was on Christmas. Anyways, as I was still saying, bright and early in the morning, I'm still a bit disoriented, but I need to get ready for work. I like to put in a tiny little workout or a small stretch in the morning, depending on the amount of time that I have. I don't have much time, so I'm just going to do a short stretch. Another one of my resolutions for 2019 was to work out every day. I can say I was 50% successful with that resolution. But what I liked about that resolution is, one, I made it very flexible for myself. Like, for example, today, like I'm saying, I don't have enough time. I would just do a stretch. Like, just moving my body was my resolution. And so for 2020, I've got the same resolution. So that could include stretching, yoga, cardio, HIIT workouts, any workout that I feel like doing on that particular day. And I realized if I do it that way and I don't put too much pressure on myself to say, yeah, you must, you know, do it or do such and such, I realized if I make it more flexible for myself, I'm more likely to, number one, do it at all in the first place, and number two, to do it in the long run. Another resolution of mine is to be a good wife, a loving wife, supportive wife, understanding wife, giving, kind, compassionate, considerate. My objective is to wake up and think, what can I do to be a better person to myself, my husband, my siblings, my family. If you watched my Who Knows Me Better video, you would know that my worst fear is to go to hell. Guys, I believe in heaven and hell, and I don't want to be in hell. First things first. And secondly, when I do get to heaven, I want to have a good reward set up for myself. I want to be a valiant warrior who gets a good reward. So that is why I want to put effort into my spirituality. That is why I want to improve in that sense. Anyways, guys, I need to start getting ready for work. So that includes my stretch, showering, and officially going out. Guys, another one of my resolutions for this year is to eat healthier, and I intend to achieve that objective by eating more whole foods, less processed foods, less junk food, by being less critical of myself but being practical, choosing my battles, and being realistic with what I set out to do. When possible, make healthier choices, avoid being impulsive with my eating. And what I've realized is when I make a food choice when I'm starving, it's usually a bad choice. But if I think in advance, if I plan my meals, it's easier for me to make a healthier food choice. So now, because I'm getting ready to go to work, I want to quickly pack myself a lunch. So I'm going to show you quickly what I'm going to be taking with me. Remember my little lunch bag. I've got some leftover peanuts from the other day, so I'm going to take these. I think it's about, like, it's less than a handful. I've got an apple. I'm going to add in a banana as well. And then, since I'm working a morning shift, I'm going to quickly pack some wheat bix also. That will be my breakfast. And I'll probably get a quick coffee as well. Usually at work we get like an instant coffee, so I'll probably get a quick coffee, and that will be my food until I get home for lunch and my snacks. So guys, I thought I still had Weet-Bix, but I can't find them, so instead I'm going to just take these bran flakes. And I like to check serving sizes. So here it says the serving size is 40 grams. If you check the nutritional information at the back, it says the serving size is 40 grams. So I'm just going to quickly weigh out. I do have a scale as well. So a serving size is a good amount. I think I'm gonna put 60 grams. So that would be 1.5 servings of bran flakes. So I'm going to have this when I'm at work with my other stuff. So that's all the stuff that I'm taking with me today. So we're good to go, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey guys, so I'm back from work. It was a long, slow, tedious day, and I'm just glad that the day is over. So I'm literally starving because I only had the bran flakes that I packed in the morning. I had bran flakes and I had loads of coffee, so I'm dying of hunger, guys, and it's 3 p.m. now. So now I felt like eating creamed spinach, so I'm just quickly doing creamed spinach with rice and then leftover beef stew from the other day. So in my pot I've got this garlic that I'm just busy reconstituting. So for my spinach, I'm using this spinach that I got from Pick and Pay on sale. I just get a huge handful, toss the whole thing in there. Alright guys, so food is ready. I just have 1 cup of rice and then the whole ton of veggies on top and some leftover beef stew. Really nice. So guys, one of my other resolutions for the next year is to make healthier food choices, and I know I had the same resolution 2019. I don't know. I don't know whether I can say I was successful or not, but according to what people say at work, most of the times, most of the people say they see me eating healthy. So I guess that counts for something, because I try to prepare my meals in advance. I try to carry food to work, and I've realized that your body craves what you eat. So I want to train my body to only crave good, healthy food. Also, another goal that I want to set for myself is to not limit myself or box myself, like to say I can't do such and such or I can't do such and such. I want to step outside my comfort zones, always push myself to go the extra mile with everything that I pursue, you know. Guys, I'm starving, please. Sure, I'm so hungry. And I'm so proud of myself because I've already started my healthy streak, like on the food side, like eating healthier food and making healthier food choices. Even today I was literally starving, and I could have stopped on the way and bought chips and, you know, whatever, or like a donut or what is it, a sausage roll or something, but I managed to get home and cook and eat. So I'm proud of myself for doing that. I think those are my resolutions for the next year. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts or resolutions for the upcoming year, or goals, or whatever reflections for the upcoming year are. And also, if you are new, remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, because that really supports my channel. Also guys, check out my Instagram, my Facebook, follow me there. So I just need to eat and give myself some energy. Love you so much guys. See you in the next video.